and a train and a man. They both tried to run as fast as they can. But a man's not a train, and a train's not a man. A man can do things that a train never can. Going up a mountain, even halfway to the top. The minute that a train runs out of steam, it's got to stop. But it's a different story when a man runs out of steam. He still can go a long, long way on nothing but a dream. Don't try to stop me, 'cause nobody can. Makes me a man.